Hello there and welcome to this maths topic on percentages. So when we say percent, what we're really saying is per 100. So that's what percent actually stands for. And remember please that percent is always out of 100, nothing more and nothing less. So example is calculate 25% of 80. So let's have a look at the example 25% of 80. Now 25% could also actually mean a quarter. So what is a quarter of 80? So what I would do here is I just divide 80 by 4. So divide by the bottom number and then multiply by the top number. So 4 goes into 8 twice, and then there's a 0 left over. So 4 goes into 80 20 times, and 20 times 1 equals 20. So 20 will be 25% of 80, or a quarter of 80. Let's try a second example. Let's try 15% of 200. Now I'll show you a different working out method here. So let's work out what 10% of 200 is. When we work out 10% of a particular number, we just cancel a 0 at the end, or we divide by 10. So remember 10 has 1 0, so that means that if you divide 200 by 10, that will mean the invisible decimal at the end will go to the left once, and that will give us an answer of 20. So 10% of 200 is 20. Now we need to work out what 5% of 200 is. And remember, 5% is half of 10%. So if 10% of 200 is 20, then 5% of 200 will be 10. Just add these up, and that will give us the answer 30. So 30 in this case is 15% of 200. Let's have a look at the first question here, which says, what is 30% of 50? So working out 30% of 50, I will break it down into these sections of 10% each, and then we'll add them up at the end. So 10% of 50 is going to be 5, because remember we get rid of that last 0, or we just divide by 10. Another 10% is going to be 5, another 10% is going to be 5, and at the end we just add them up. So 30% of 50 is going to be 15. And this way you can actually work out percentages of pretty much any number, but you can actually do it in stages. Okay, good luck with the rest of this topic, and we'll meet you in our next lesson. Thank you.